everyone. We would like to start off by saying Happy New Year and so many congrats to all of you. We are very privileged and pleasured to return to Trinity Western University once again. And I believe this is our third lucky year. And we have stopped for COVID, but last year we were so lucky that we got to perform outdoors and to spend the dinner celebration with everyone. And this year we have returned again, but because of the weather, we will be performing inside the university, which is awesome. The reason why our lucky line comes to your school is because we would like to ward away all negative energy and bring in only positive, good luck and good energy to come in to stay for the year for everyone. And primarily that means good health, certain kind of good luck for this year. For this year for Trinity Western, we were asking for prosperous learning, for peace, and for harmony, and for happiness. A multicultural celebration of diversity. Beautiful lettuce will be consumed by the lucky line one by one. And then you're the gentleman that's holding onto the pole. You will receive a gesture or a prompt. So be very playful, and don't just give a tip, make them work a little, and have lots of fun. Then after the lettuce is consumed, you can put down the pole, stand back, but not too far, and then be the first to catch the lucky lettuce piece from the line. Then the line's going to go and disperse the lucky lettuce piece to everyone. So these are symbols of good luck to show that the line's blessing is with you throughout the year of the lucky rabbit, Master Danny, Master Kevin, and our lucky blue dog. So from alphabet. And then after that, once this general lettuce is consumed, and that goes all around, then we have more lettuce to consume.